Oh, sorry, I didn't notice you there. Hi, I'm Brooklyn. I'm gonna change the oil on my dad's truck here. And here are all the materials you need. Some motor oil, right here. And some windshield washing fluid, right here. Some tools. Here we have a rag, we have an empty bottle, and we have a funnel here, and we have this, I think a funnel here, and we have this. Here we go. This is the drain plug, and you have to make sure the gasket is still on it. That's done. On this Chevy, the oil filter is at the top. Always good to use towels and rags so oil doesn't spill all over. This is a canister oil filter. With this pick, you're going to remove this rubber O-ring like this. So you're going to want to put oil on all the rubber parts. And you're just going to want to put oil on the O-ring. now we're gonna fill the oil. So we have to take off the cap and set it here so we don't forget it. And if you set it here, then you're gonna close the hood and then smash it. So we can put it there. And then we can also put a funnel in here. The little yellow funnel, not like the red funnel because that's bigger than this one. And then we're gonna put it in there and make it tight, nice and tight. And then you pour in the oil. Make sure you stop when the oil gets up high. Just like that. Nice and slow. I'm gonna put oil onto my cap so that way it slides on easily. Like that. That way it slides on. We're gonna move the funnel, of course, because if you keep the funnel on there, it's probably not gonna work. So you're gonna remove the funnel carefully, so nothing hits. Check it. Set it here. Oh, that was close. And then we're just gonna screw that on tight. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna do the windshield washer. And make sure you don't put it in the wrong one. And it's this one right here that has like a windshield right here. And then you're just gonna pour it in here. And make sure you remove the cap. So you don't pour on the cap here. So make sure you all mine. So now we're gonna close the lid. That way we don't smash it when we close the hood, or so it doesn't leak. Nice and tight. Okay, so now we're gonna recheck the oil to make sure. So we're just gonna take this out. Make sure there's a little oil. So don't ever put oil in there because it's bad for the environment. Don't put it in the sewer because it's not good for our environment. So we're just gonna take that to the recycler. Recycling. So we're gonna pour it in there. Okay, so now